In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add audio in DaVinci Resolve. So inserting audio in DaVinci Resolve is very simple. For that, we need to firstly import that audio clip. So to do that, we need to go to File and then go to Import, and under it we can find this media option, or alternatively you can press the shortcut key of Ctrl I and then it will open your file explorer. Select the audio file and then click on Open, and your audio file will be inserted in the media pool. You can see the audio here. And now to insert that audio into our timeline, we just need to drag and drop it onto our footage like this. But you can see the audio file didn't got inserted. That's because I have deselected my audio track. So to enable it, we need to click on this A1 icon and now make it like this. And then if we try to insert our audio clip, the file will be inserted on our audio track. And if you want to reposition it, then for that, drag it to the position where you want it to be. And I want to place it here. And now to trim it, we just need to drag the corners like this, and then we can trim our audio clip. If you want to adjust it volume levels, then for that select your audio clip first, then open the inspector and under it go to audio section, and from here you can adjust the volume levels. Alternatively, you can use this white horizontal line to adjust the volume like this. And now if you want to add a fade in or fade out, then for that drag these white handles like this and then it will create a fade out. If you want to add a fade in, then for that repeat the same process and a fade in effect will be added. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.